What if I told you that the way you drink your morning coffee might be silently killing your dopamine and destroying your ability to focus? And what if there was a simple, science-backed trick to turn that same cup of coffee into a deep focus booster within just 5 minutes? Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, Daily Fit Spark. It costs nothing, but it genuinely motivates me to make more valuable videos like this for you. Let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I was having 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily, yet feeling more distracted than ever. Zero focus, zero motivation. Then I learned something shocking. Coffee doesn't boost you, dopamine does. And caffeine blocks, not boosts, your natural dopamine if consumed incorrectly. So here's the deep focus coffee hack, a method used by top performers, founders, researchers, and high achievers. When you wake up, your cortisol is naturally high. If you drink coffee immediately, dopamine drops by 20 to 30% within the next 2 hours. You become jittery. Your focus collapses by midday. But delaying coffee by 90 minutes stabilizes your cortisol and resets your dopamine receptors. This is where deep focus begins. This is the secret behind calm focus. Caffeine is alertness. Theanine is smooth focus. No crash it. Ideal ratio, 100 milligrams caffeine, 200 milligrams L-theanine ton. This reduces overstimulation by up to 40% and sharpens focus for 4-6 hours. Because dopamine follows blood sugar. When you drink coffee without food, blood sugar drops, dopamine drops. Anxiety rises, focus crashes. Eat a protein plus healthy fat mini meal first. 1 boiled egg, a handful of nuts, Greek yogurt, peanut butter toast. Just 100 to 150 calories is enough. If you want laser focus for work, drink coffee 90 minutes after waking. Eat a mini protein meal. Sit down for your most important task within 20 minutes. This is the peak focus zone used by high performers. Caffeine has a half-life of 6 hours. After 3 p.m., it blocks evening dopamine and destroys your sleep cycles. If you block dopamine at night, next morning becomes even harder. You need more caffeine. The cycle continues. Break the cycle today. You don't need more coffee. You need a smarter method to use coffee. This tiny shift alone can improve your focus, productivity, mood, motivation, energy, stability, deep work capability by 20 to 40% in just 1 week. If you found this helpful, wait till you see what's coming next. In the next video, I'll reveal the 3 non-negotiable morning boundaries for high-performing people. This one habit alone can change your entire lifestyle. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Daily Fit Spark because you've already watched this far. Support means everything.